All right, here I am. Glenholme from GTV. I'm here. I'm going to interview a bunch of the stars from the movie. We got stars coming through on the red carpet. They're going to get their picture taken. Very exciting. This premiere. Let's go. Let's get the movie going. I'm very excited right now. I don't know if I can handle this. We're about to meet the cast, the stars, the makers of this movie. Young man, what can we look forward from you on the screen tonight?
Yo, I'm the one, the only Philly cheesesteak. You may have heard my little-known hit single, All About That Cheesesteak.
Wow, all about that cheesesteak. That's one I don't know, but I'm sure it'll be one for the record books here. What about you, sir?
I'm Play Fluffy Z's the drummer. I'm excited, I guess.
Are you excited? Is this your first movie premiere?
Second.
Second movie premiere. And what do you look forward to the most?
The movie, just like being fun, I guess.
Amazing.
Anyways, there's only a couple of minutes to see one of the best movies ever made. Lines are filled, are packed. Tickets are being sold out. Countless tickets are being sold out.
What about you, young lady? What part did you have in making of this film?
I am the lead editor.
And what does that mean?
Oh, it means to you can
You chop up the film and you put it back together again.
Yeah.
Amazing. A star has arrived. This is who?
I am Annie Claire.
And who do you play in the film?
Play the role of Courtney.
What was your favorite part of the process?
Probably all the fun scenes where we got to eat food after.
Amazing. And what do you look forward to the most in the finished product here?
Just see how it ended up overall and see how it, all came together.
Amazing, incredible. What about you, young ladies? You're looking marvelous tonight. Marvelous.
I worked on all the costumes. I'm the costume designer.
And what costume was your favorite to put together?
Destiny was a very interesting character. She's very glamorous, very, very out there. I bedazzled and sewed on tassels and fringes on her custom-made jacket.
It all came together. And what about you? What do you think about this whole process?
I love doing everyone's makeup. Boys, girls, whoever. I loved it. It was amazing. I have no favorite.